Spring is here and summer is just around the corner, so it's the perfect time to crochet some lacy tops, festival wear, or a beach cover-up. But what else is great to make around this time of year? Well, in this video, I'm going to share 10 crochet fashion trends to make. And to get all of these ideas, I scoured social media and looked at the fashion industry for inspiration. So if you want to check out any of the photos mentioned in this video or look at the makers, you can head to my blog post, which is linked in the description box below. The first thing that would be great to crochet right now for spring and summer, but would also work for really any time of the year, are crochet ties. I've seen these everywhere lately. They are unisex and perfect to make for Teachers Appreciation Week in May or for Father's Day in June. They're also fun to play around with to add a pop of color and texture to your outfit. These would be really fun to make with any scrap yarns you might have lying around. I've seen so many different styles and patterns with the crochet tie, so you could definitely play around with your own unique style with making these, whether you prefer more of a sleek and sophisticated design or a quirky and eclectic pattern. Crochet ties definitely offer a really customizable canvas to express your style with. Or another trend to explore would definitely be a piece that has a flower motif. I've seen a lot of these pretty much everywhere lately. I've specifically seen a lot of flower dresses everywhere, especially featuring more lacy and sheer details. So why not crochet your very own flower dress, blouse, sweater, or accessory? There's so many different kinds of things that you could make with flowers. The best thing to do is just play around with scraps for this as well, and you could make it wild with lots of different colors and different kinds of flowers, or you could keep it more minimal and simple with just one flower motif. These are really versatile sort of pieces to make and really perfect for spring right now for sure. And these crochet flowers are also great to use as applique on sweaters or jeans. So let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see a video on how I like to use crochet flowers as applique. Another trend to really explore right now are making crochet scrunchies. The hair scrunchie market was valued at 27 million USD in 2023 and is anticipated to have a compound annual growth rate of over 5.4% between 2024 to 2032, according to the global market. So this could be a great product to explore making if you have a crochet business, especially if you have a certain niche style. But even if you just crochet for fun, scrunchies are definitely back. So why not explore your style by crocheting your own twist on the classic scrunchie? You could play with textures and colors for this one and really make it your own. With it being festival season right now, this next trend is also a great one to make, and that is a fringe crochet jacket. There are so many different ways you can do this. You could make one using granny squares, then add fringe, or you could create a mesh base, then add fringe on top of it. You could play with scrap yarns or even scrap fabrics for this one as well. And I was actually thinking of making my own mesh fringe jacket soon, so let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see a tutorial or a make with me video for that. Also, if you want to see some video tutorials on how to take old t-shirts or jeans and make yarn out of them, you should check out these videos in the card above. I definitely love taking old textiles and clothes and upcycling them into yarn, and I think that making a fringe jacket could be a really cool way to use them. Or if you want to make a truly timeless piece, you can crochet a sweater vest. This one is definitely unisex. Anyone could wear it, and you could make it in a variety of styles for sure. You could dress it up or down, more casual or dressy or sporty even, or make it more classic or alternative. It's a great way to just experiment with your own style, and this one is great because you could wear it all year round if you want to make them for spring or summer. You could also make it more lacy and out of more breathable materials, or make them out of thicker yarns and layer with them to wear for fall and winter. Another trend that could be great to explore through crochet during the sunny days are bucket hats. And I know bucket hats have been in for a while, but they're definitely not going anywhere. You could play around with crocheting so many different styles of bucket hats, make them more dramatic or classy or whimsical, and just have fun with them. They also serve a function because they can keep your face and head nice and cool during those warmer months, especially if you use lighter, cooler, and more breathable fabrics. And if you want to check out a tutorial on how to make crochet bucket hats, you should check out my tutorial in the card above. It's one of my favorite ways to make the bucket hat, and it's definitely beginner friendly as well. And this next trend is definitely one you should try out. It's a bit more of a color-based trend, and that's crocheting with pastel colors. I've seen pastel colorways all over my feed lately, and it's not just because it's spring, although that definitely contributes to it, but pastel colors have really been having a moment. They're really trendy in interior design right now, but it's also been fun to see how artists have been playing with pastels in more whimsical ways in their crochet makes. Some of my personal favorites are the colored duck egg and lemon yellow. So you can definitely play around with different pastel colorways and make your designs more minimalist or maximalist if you choose. And another crochet trend I've definitely seen embraced a lot lately are crochet puff sleeves. Especially if you're a fan of cottagecore or coquette style, creating puffy crochet sleeves would definitely be for you. You could make more lacy and delicate designs or a more basic kind of everyday piece that could go easily from day to night. Puff sleeves definitely have more of a romantic and classic kind of vibe. So if you do too, that could be really fun to explore. And another trend that would be perfect to play around with for spring and summer are crochet wrap dresses and blouses. Especially if you have more of a minimalist style or love boho styling, you could make more of a lacy design. Crochet wrap dresses and tops are just the perfect basic piece to make. Especially if you make a more midi length dress or maxi length, they're both very amazing for beach days as well. And this top that I'm wearing is one that I actually crocheted last year, and it's by Hobby. I'll definitely link it on my blog post. And it's just a great breathable piece, perfect for summer, and it's definitely a staple in my wardrobe. And another trend to explore through crochet is the wide leg trouser. I've seen these all over recently, especially the mesh wide leg trousers. They scream, "I'm vacationing by the beach" to me, and wide pants have been in style for a while now, but they don't seem to be going anywhere. Make them more like culottes, so they would be more cropped and wide, resembling a skirt, or you could make them longer and wider. You could even bust out all of those scraps and make a pair of scrap pants. Either way, crochet wide leg trousers are the perfect item to make for spring and summer. You could throw them on over bathing suits or just throw them on for running errands around town because they're definitely super cozy. All right, well that's it for my 10 crochet trends. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like below and also subscribe and click the bell to join me each week for more crochet inspiration. And also make sure you subscribe to my monthly newsletter if you want more behind the scenes updates and also to just be a part of our blooming, amazing Cactus Lady Creation community here. And also, if you want to see more crochet trends to explore, you can check out this video next. Well, thank you for watching, and I hope you'll join me in the next one.